and welcome to today's 5 with Fitz. It's a big earnings week on tap and a pretty straightforward agenda. Here's my playbook. Number 1, earnings will catch a lot of people by surprise this season. Many investors are betting on weaker earnings, but I think they're going to be a lot stronger than most people think. So far, 41 companies have reported, with 80% of them beating EPS expectations. If that holds, that'll set the bar pretty high with about 30% growth year over year. That, by the way, is the third highest quarterly growth rate since 2010. Now, here's the thing. The Dow is less than 1% from its high, while the S&P 500 is just 1.6% below its high. The NASDAQ, meanwhile, is 3.3% below its high. I know where I'm going to be focused and where I'm going to be shopping. There's a ton of money on the move. Grab your share or somebody else will. 2, Apple's big-er reveal. I need more shares. Apple's rumored to be announcing some really cool enhancements to the MacBook lineup. Leaks suggest that we can expect to hear about 13 and 16-inch versions. Both are apparently powered by Apple's new SoC. There could also be M1X powered minis, a new OS release date, AirPod updates, and more. What I want to see, though, is anything mentioning the word satellite. That's a conspicuous absence in Apple's publicly available information. Speaking of which, I have long believed that Apple is working deep behind the scenes with Tesla and or SpaceX, but have not got one shred of proof to back this up yet. But I don't think the day is far away. You can watch the big reveal, by the way, on Apple's website. Point 3, got oil, as in stocks? You better. The greenies make a great case for all things electric, yet WTI crude is over $83 a barrel this morning, which is the highest level since October 2014. That's 3.7% up last week alone and the 8th straight week of increases. The biggies are generally the best speaking, but there's one dinosaur juice producer I like more than the others combined. It's poised for new highs, and if you are reading along in one bar ahead, you know exactly what that is. 4, China just caught Western intelligence analysts with their pants down. The headline, of course, is that they didn't see this coming when China launched a new hypersonic missile. Well, you know what? The real failure in intelligence is on the West part. China didn't change the arms race. The West did because it didn't see this coming. Point number 5, it's Tesla Wednesday. You know, I don't own enough shares of this company. People laughed in my face when I said $1,000 a share was coming, and I think it was about $300 back then. Anyway, the narrative is coming to me now, and a lot of people think they're pretty smart for calling for $1,000. Just remember, you heard it here first. If you're still thinking about Tesla in terms of cars, you're already behind the 8 ball. It's about electricity, it's about flamethrowers, it's about going to other planets, it's about rewiring the electric grid, and more. This guy's not messing around, and I think CEO Elon Musk is the smartest executive on the planet at the moment. Today's bottom line, you know what? If you're willing to part with the stocks you own willy-nilly or just at the blink of an eye, I guarantee you, you do not own the right stocks. Think about that for a second. Then put it in your pipe and smoke it, or better yet, your bank account and bling it. I'm Keith Fitz-Gerald. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Thank you for watching today's Morning 5 with Fitz. Click subscribe to get daily market notes right here on YouTube, or sign up for the email versions at the link below. You can also find me on Twitter and Instagram for my real-time thoughts on markets, analysis, and more.